Hey everyone, how are you today? Just hopping on a little video to talk about why a manifestation routine is so important and how it can make you manifest much more easier. So basically, having a morning manifestation routine can help you so much in the way of one, it helps you with focus. Now, when manifesting, that's your main, most important thing is focus, right? Because where our attention goes is what grows within our life, okay? And when you sit down each morning and do, it doesn't have to be for hours and hours and hours. It can just be like 5 to 10 minutes of focus. And the most important time is in the morning, as soon as you can, because at night you've slept and you've relaxed all your resistance. And then in the morning you wake up and you've got a new point of attraction as soon as you wake up. And if you start feeding your mind with what you want to create, right, that's where you will place your focus. Because like I said, all your manifestations, it's all about your focus. Where are you focusing on? And most of the time, we're focusing more on what we don't want. Am I right? Let me know in the comments. Are you getting more of what you don't want? And the reason for that is because that's where your focus is at. Now, it mightn't be there consciously, but it is there subconsciously, okay, on an unconscious level. And so by using your conscious mind every morning for 5 to 10 minutes on what you want to focus on and what you want to create, over time, you will start to train yourself to focus on what you want to create and build the energy around that. Okay, let me know if this is making sense. And so, even just doing like a gratitude practice in the morning is great as well. Like you could just do, what am I grateful for today? And then you can slip in there a few things of what you were grateful for that you are manifesting, right? So then you can put that energy towards it and start making yourself feel and your energy feel like you already have the things that you want. So it's really important to do that practice and make it a habit, right? After a while, it'll just become automatic. When you're first doing it, your brain will probably be like, we don't need to do that today. Don't worry about it today. I can't be bothered, right? But if you just keep pushing past that and keep going, no, I'm going to sit down. What do I want? What do I want to create? What am I grateful for? All of those kinds of things. You're then getting your brain to focus on what you want to create, and then you have more of a chance of bringing that in as you create that life that you desire, that dream life, which is totally possible for you. It's all about your focus. Like I said before, a lot of us are focusing on what they don't want. And then you've got to ask yourself, what do I want? Like you could even do that every morning. Just as a little routine, you could just wake up each morning, get your little notepad out. What do I want? Write it down. What do I want? Write it down. What do I want? Write it down. And train your brain to start focusing more on what you do want and not what you don't want, right? It's like a retraining of that brain. You see, your brain is responsible for your survival. It's not responsible for you to thrive. That is where you come in and you teach your brain how to thrive by using your conscious mind and directing your subconscious mind. All right? Makes sense? Let me know. Let me know if this has been helpful, and let me know if you're going to start a morning routine, and even let me know if that's something that you would need help with, because I can also help you start to develop that routine and even get some tips and tricks and ideas on what you can do. Alrighty, I hope you have an amazing day and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.